In this video, I will be showing you how to screen record on Android phone. Android has a useful tool called screen recording that is useful in a variety of situations. Screen recording can be useful whether you want to film a lesson for your YouTube channel, demonstrate how to use an app to a buddy, or record a special moment in a game. We'll walk you through the process of screen recording on Android in this video. An integrated screen recorder is available on the most recent Android devices. You will need to utilize a third-party software to screen record if you're using an older device. You have the choice to record your screen with or without sound when you record it on a recent Android device. So first, you need to go to your phone settings and type or search screen recording or screen record. So as you can see here, we have this one application for that. And all I need to do is to allow this feature or application to have access on my phone so that it can screen record everything here. So with a few minor adjustments here and there, the screen recording procedure is basically the same across platforms. To display your quick setting options, especially when it comes to your screen recording, slide down the notification shade that is located at the top of the screen. Give the device permission to record the screen by tapping the screen record icon. And that's how easy it is, as what I am doing right now. So you just have to tap this one and then screen record your phone. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.